Hey Tyler, what you doing?
Playing on Xbox.
Can I play on your Xbox while you're in school?
No, you're going to school with me.
Today's my holiday.
Well, don't touch my Xbox while I'm at school. I'm going, Tyler. See ya. Yes! Wait, just in case that, I have arsenals in my room. Three, two, one, action. Cut. Hey Tyler, I'm back. Tyler, where are you? Wait, this door was not opened. Wait, who? Someone's playing on my Xbox. I'm going to close it. I gotta get my revenge to get my Xbox back. There's gotta be Nerf in this room. Wait, let me go check that door. Yes, some arsenal. Miss Tyler is playing on my Xbox. We need to hide somewhere. Alright, we have to try to take aim at this. Let's go up. Okay, I have to try to aim at him. Whoa!
Aha!
Whoa! Where'd you go? Don't make me find you. It's not gonna work.
Three, two, one, action. I know you're trying to kill me. It's not gonna work. Where are you? Ah! Wait. Side right here. Wait. Nothing? Okay.
Okay, he's not in this room. Let's go check the other room. Okay, maybe he's gone. Let's just keep on playing. Okay, he's gone now. Oh, the power of the secret weapon. Alright, let's go. Hey, Tyler! That's right, Tyler. Thank you for my Xbox, Tyler. You're welcome!